Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to create a thumbnail for the YouTube channel for the YouTube video in the Canva application. Come to the laptop, type the Canva in the search box and open the Canva application. This is the home page of the Canva, and click on the templates and write the thumbnail for the YouTube video. Type it thumbnail for the YouTube video and then click on the enter button. These are all the thumbnail for the YouTube video. So I want to, and then you can see here the below are also the thumbnail available in the Canva application. I want to select this one thumbnail, click on it, and then click on the customize this templates button, click on it. And you can see here, I want to change this one thumbnail. Click on the upload option. Click on it, and you can see here, I want to select one picture from my upload file. I want to delete this one. Select and click on the delete option, and then which one picture you want to select. I want to delete the frame also. Select the frame and delete, and then select the delete frame option. And you can see here, and you can move easily your picture from one place to another. You can also minimize and maximize your picture, and you can move the picture where you want to place it. You can see here, and now I want to change the text. Select the text and type your own text, and then minimize your text, and you can maximize your text. And you can also change your text by this option. I write the text how to create professional Facebook page. You can see here. So I want to change the color of this one text. Click on the font, and then you can change the color by click on this one. And you can see here, these color are also available here, and you can choose and you can select any type of color from the font. I want to change this text also. You can see here, I want to upload, and I want to fix the subscribe button also here. Minimize this subscribe button and then move where you want to fix it, and you can minimize and maximize the subscribe button. And I want to download this one. Click on the share button and then click on the download option, and then select the PNG file, and then finally click on the download button. The download will start here. You can see it depends upon your internet speed. Write your project name here. You can see here, my project name is Facebook create thumbnail, and then click on the save button. My project will save in the download folder. You can see the download completed. For the checking, go to the download folder, and you can see here, this is my project. I have been completed. You can see here, this is my project. So in short, if you have any question about the how to create the thumbnail for the YouTube video in the Canva application, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.